Hey, honey, where are we?
We're going to Aulani. Ah.
It's amazing, isn't it?
It is amazing. Am I taking that picture together?
Hey, 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 hey!
What happens to the photographer?
Oh, hold up.
Yeah, you go over there. You want the whole background clear? Say cheese. I cooked it.
Thank you so much.
Say 360 Jimmy.
Happy holidays, guys.
Happy holidays.
Merry Christmas.
Lazy River.
Cool.
Wonder what's in the stores. Let's go check it out. Liz has already found the store.
I love these ears. They're awesome. Very nice. And it's blue.
You gonna buy them? Maybe. Oh, look at all t-shirts here. Nice. Oh, I like that. That one's nice. Hello. That's a nice one too. What's it? Let's find out the prices of things, shall we?
Oh, Drake's one. Drake, you killed me too.
45 for the t-shirts. Nope, I think I found something we're gonna get. $25. We'll have to check in with Lee.
It's here.
Where is Oh, there.
I'm not sure.
Did you find Ulu Mel stuff, Mom?
Daffy.
Yeah, Brendan Duffy.
Feel it. Nice shirt.
What's the price of this?
$65.
$65.
It's nice.
It's not a bad one. You guys matching dress too.
Yeah.
Yeah. The Mad Coconuts from Moana. Oh, bucket. Yeah, that would be that actually suit you, you know.
There you
It
go.
looks different actually. I like it.
I think it's I love it. Where would I wear it?
You wouldn't.
I would.
That's a great little hat.
It is.
Photo bomb.
That was close. Almost.